Movements in animals. Pivot joint. A pivot joint is formed when one bone is fixed and the other bone is forming a ring. The other bone forms a ring-like structure and it rotates over the pivot-like end. It rotates over the pivot-like end of the other bone. Example, we can see in the neck region, head rotates over the neck. So this pivot joint is helpful in rotation movement. Next is hinge joint. This is a joint which moves like a hinge, like door hinges, in a single plane not more than 180 degrees. For example, when you see door hinges, it provides back and forth movement of the structure. Hinge joint provides back and forth movement of the structure. So here we can see hinge joint. Here, knee joint. So this joint can be compared to the hinge in the door. Examples of hinge joints are elbow joints. This is the elbow joint that allows the movement back and forth. Back and forth movement. Knee joint, for example, provides same back and forth movement. So knee joint and elbow joints are examples of hinge joints. Next is gliding joint. So this is a joint which allows bones to glide over each other. To glide over each other, this type of joint provides little movement in all directions. Little movements in all directions. This joint present at the ankle. At the ankle we can see, at the wrist we can see, and between the vertebrae, all these joints are examples of gliding joints. They provide little movements in all directions. This is about gliding joints.